Hi there. I'm going to quickly show you how you can access additional support for math using your student's ClassLink account. We use ClassLink at school as a single sign-in platform to access different programs and applications used in the classroom and the computer lab. For example, our students log into ClassLink to access Renaissance Place, which is the software the district uses to administer the STAR math and reading assessments that we use to show growth, as well as for accelerated math and independent reading activities. Today we are going to explore GoMath resources located in the Think Central app on your student's ClassLink page. So starting here at the Laramie One School District website, we go over under the LCSD1 links and click on ClassLink. This is the same page that the kids see in the computer lab and in the classroom to sign into ClassLink. At school, we sign in using this Connect button. At home, you'll have to enter in your student's username and password. Their username is their lunch number, and the password for Deming students is their lunch number and their initials. The password for Miller students you'll have to check with your child. I'm going to go ahead and get a student signed in and show you the next steps. Okay, so here we are on a Deming Students ClassLink page. Think Central is where we have our GoMath resources, so let's click into Think Central. And we're going to click into My Library. All right, here in My Library, let's click on MegaMath. MegaMath is the GoMath games that support your child's GoMath curriculum. We have 6 different categories here. We in the computer lab have had a lot of fun with country countdown games and the number games. If we click into one category, the number games, you get additional categories of games. Buggy Bargains has to do with counting money. If we click into Buggy Bargains, and if we pick the first game here, count bills and coins to $10, you will have to maximize your screen, and then we go ahead and follow along with the game. The students have been exposed to these games in the computer lab, and instructions for their games is given at the beginning. Once a student completes a game or is ready to move on to another activity, you can simply click on the red X in the corner, and it takes us back to the MegaMath games. If you want to get back to Think Central in My Library, click on the red X again, and you're back to My Library. Other resources here in My Library that are worth your time looking at is the GoMath Student Edition ebook. This is the book that your students work in math in class. The GoMath Interactive Students Edition, right here, teaches the same concepts as the student journals in class. And the GoMath Animated Math Models. These support the concepts that your kids are learning in GoMath. Take some time with your child and go through some of these resources. One more I'd like to show you is the Math on the Spot video tutorials. These are videos that go with each lesson and just give you additional support at home with your child when they're working on their GoMath. If you want to get back to your child's ClassLink account, you can close out of this Think Central tab, and it takes you back to your child's ClassLink account. Thanks for checking out this video on how to access GoMath via your child's ClassLink account.